In this video, I will show you how to upgrade your digital drawings with beautiful watercolor edges, and I will give you all the brushes that I use for free. If you watch all the way to the end, I will also show you my creative process of this piece. Sign up with the link below to receive all the brushes in your email. And once you have them installed, let's get started. Over here, we have 4 brushes. The top one is a corner cutter, which will give you rounded corner. The bottom 3 are the deckled edges for the longer sides. Over here, we have a quick example of a watercolor drawing on paper. So we're gonna use our brushes to clean it up. The first thing I'm gonna do is to create a layer mask. This is so important because we want this whole process to be non-destructive, which means that at any point, if you want to go back to the original, you still can. But if you use your brushes as erasers, you will actually lose that information. So just tap on your layer in the pop-up menu, click on Mask, and you will see the layer mask pop up right above your original layer. And now you want to select the black color on the color dot on the upper right-hand corner, and then pick one of the deckled edges as your brush, and you can hide the information from there. They function just like any other brush. You can change the size, opacity, and if you have a Apple Pencil Pro, you can rotate the pencil to change the orientation of the brush. You can use the brush to go around all different sides and the corners as well. Sometimes you may see a mismatched edge like this. If that's the case, just grab a liner brush and use white instead of black to bring back some of the original painting. This is one of the major advantages of using non-destructive editing, so that you did not lose the information. You can always bring it back. Here's another example of mixed media artwork. This is one of the projects that I demoed from the beginning to the end in my signature course called Esther's Art Lab. I will clean up the longer edges before I handle the corners. And you can change the sizes of your brush, adjust the angles, and also remember that you can rotate the canvas so that you can work at an angle that is ergonomical. If you like this tutorial so far, please like this video. It will help my little channel to grow. The brushes are made in high resolution, which means that you can make it really big and it will give you a really nice, natural, torn edge look. You can also make it smaller and then stamp several times along the edges. So it's really up to what kind of style that you're looking for. If you haven't downloaded them already, you can follow the link below and everything will be delivered to you in your email inbox. This is one of the 3 comprehensive projects that I have done in Esther's Art Lab, where I built the tree leaf texture with acrylic ink. And on separate paper, I used graphite to build the structure of the tree. And I brought the 2 pieces together to demo the workflow in both Photoshop and Procreate. So my idea is that I want to show the artists what's possible in Adobe Photoshop, Procreate, and Illustrator in various settings so they can make their own educated choice on what software fits them the best. I teach my entire process in multiple programs from the beginning to the end in Esther's Art Lab. And you can check out everything at estersartlab.com. I hope to see you there. I will see you in the next video.